अगर इंग्रेडिएंट स्किन को पेनिट्रेट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे तो बेचारा स्किन केयर क्या ही कर लेगा। द बेस्ट वे टू मेक योर स्किन केयर 2 times more effective every single night is by doing one simple thing, and that is to double cleanse your face. हो गई वीडियो खत्म? वेल, दिस इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, पर जो आज की वीडियो जिस चीज पे डेडिकेटेड है वो मैंने आपको पहले 30 सेकंड्स में बता दी है। टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट डबल क्लेंजिंग एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू विद प्रूफ कि कैसे माइसेलर वाटर, क्लेंजिंग मिल्क, इन सब चीज़ों का वो इफेक्ट नहीं होता आपके स्किन पे जो आपके स्किन पे होता है व्हेन यू डबल क्लेंज योर फेस। और उसके साथ साथ ही मैं आपको बताऊंगी अबाउट सम अमेजिंग क्लेंजिंग बाम ऑप्शंस which are all under ₹500. So if you're interested, keep watching. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी, नाउ अ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट। और आज की वीडियो डेडिकेटेड है ऑन हाउ यू कैन मेक योर नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन 2 times more effective by making sure you clean your face properly. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। मैं बनाती हूँ नई वीडियोस हफ्ते में 4 बार। स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड इज द ओनली चैनल ऑन द इंटरनेट जहाँ आपको मिलते हैं डिटेल्ड स्किन केयर रूटीन्स। सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स के रिव्यूज ही नहीं, आई डू full skincare routines for all major skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, melasma, anti-aging, acne, so on and so forth. Now let's get started. ये वीडियो बनाने का एक बहुत स्पेसिफिक रीजन है बिकॉज मुझे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, अगर हम मेकअप नहीं लगाते तो भी डबल क्लेंस करना है? आंसर इज यस, यू हैव टू डबल क्लेंस बिकॉज होपफुली आप सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं 1 या 2 बार ज्यादा, 1 या 2 बार या उससे ज्यादा, एंड सनस्क्रीन को ब्रेक डाउन करना बहुत जरूरी है। Second question, can we use micellar water? Can we use cleansing milk? And I always say, yes, you can use it, but it is not the same as double cleansing because micellar water, क्लेंजिंग मिल्क, कोई भी ऐसी चीज मेकअप को शिफ्ट करता है, आपके पोर्स को क्लीन नहीं करता। सो आज के टेस्ट के लिए आई एम यूजिंग द गार्नियर माइसेलर वाटर। दिस इज द ओनली माइसेलर वाटर आई हैव एंड इसे मैं यूज करूंगी आधे चेहरे पे। सो वी गोना डू वन साइड विद माइसेलर वाटर, वन साइड विद क्लेंजिंग बाम, फिर हम अपना पूरा फेस वॉश करेंगे जैसे हमेशा करते हैं। देन आई विल डू अ टोनर टेस्ट टू शो यू व्हाई दिस इज बेटर। नाउ मेरे लिए पर्सनली एक बहुत बड़ा टेस्ट होता है। आई इन द समर मंथ्स यूज वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा, उसे निकालना इज अ चैलेंज, बट एनीवेज लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो अगर मैं माइसेलर वाटर यूज करती हूँ, आई यूजुअली लाइक टू soak the cotton pad with the micellar water and then just keep it on my eye. इस तरह से it is easy to break down the mascara, the kajal, all of those things. इसको रखेंगे। I'm taking another cotton pad and उससे मैं अपना आधा चेहरा क्लेंस करूंगी। Now as you can see, जब मैं इस तरह से चेहरा क्लेंस करती हूँ, मेकअप शिफ्ट हो रहा है। Okay, so and now बाकी की साइड से let's try and get rid of this. If you're a person who wears eyeliner, kajal, whatever, अगर आपने उसे ठीक से नहीं उतारा every single night, over a period of time, उसका जो पिगमेंट है आपको डार्क सर्कल्स का अपीयरेंस देता है। It is not that you have dark circles, वो डार्क सर्कल टाइप लगने लग जाता है बिकॉज पिगमेंट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यहाँ पे स्टोर्ड रहता है। So we've cleaned this side with micellar water. Now let's use a cleansing balm. So I'm going to be using this cleansing balm. It's a Korean cleansing balm by the brand Hemish. It is pretty affordable. Even in the UAE, इसकी price is around 45 to 50 dirhams. US में it's much cheaper. इंडिया में ये नहीं मिलता, but Indian cleansing balm के options हैं. So wait for it. Now by doing this process, जहाँ मैं cleansing balm को अपने dry चेहरे पे मसाज कर रही हूँ, I am cleansing my pores from within because ये एक oil based product है। ये हर product, whether it's sunscreen, whether it's makeup, उसे break down कर रहा है। Look at how much product comes out इस तरह से। Now I'm going to wash my face and first wash के बाद ही आपको फर्क दिखेगा between this side and this side just from an eye makeup perspective. So keep watching. Just see this. This was the cleansing balm side. The eye makeup is better removed. This is the micellar water side. The eye makeup is still there. Up, because I'm not going to clean this side with micellar water at all. I'm not going to clean this side with cleansing balm at all. I will just go in with my regular cleanser for the second cleanse. Second cleanse के लिए Bioderma का gentle cleanser. That is what. Second cleanse is complete. Now I'm taking 2 separate cotton pads and I'm taking this toner, which is the Ren Glow Tonic. It is an AHA based toner. इसे दोनों cotton pads पे लगाएंगे and then we will do the toner test. Usually when you look at an AHA based toner or normal toner भी use कर सकते हो, but this is just better. Wait. Do not mix 2 separate things. Let's go. Haha, that was right. Oh. अब क्योंकि ये जो टोनर है, this is an AHA based toner, I am not going to be using it under my eyes. इसे मैं सिर्फ अपने फेस पे लगाऊंगी कुछ इस तरह से. Now इस तरह से आपको दिखाऊंगी तो आपको दिखेगा नहीं, but I'm just going to do a close up and show you the sides कि इस साइड पे अभी भी मेकअप है, like little bit of makeup is there and that is the visible part, and this side is totally clear. Let me just do a zoom and show it to you. This is the side जिस पे micellar water use हुआ था. So this is that side and this is the side जहाँ cleansing balm use हुआ था. Obviously जो visible चीज़ें आपको यहाँ नज़र आ रही हैं, that is the makeup जो थोड़ा बहुत रह गया होगा. But you can imagine कि अगर makeup के stains रह गए हैं तो आपका sunscreen तो बिल्कुल भी breakdown नहीं हुआ होगा. So you can clearly see. Ab I'm sure it is super clear why micellar water and cleansing milk is not the same as using a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. This is the test and hopefully आगे का तो पता नहीं, but जिनके ये questions थे why cleansing balm, it should be answered. Simple सी बात है, even if you don't use makeup, sunscreen को in general break down करना with the sunscreen filters is very very tough. Therefore cleansing balm is recommended. And I can tell you when I started my journey back in 2017 और तब मेरा एक ये Korean skincare phase था, I discovered double cleansing. It was the first and the simplest thing I did that actually transformed my skin. So if there is any faith that you guys have, trust me on this, invest in a cleansing balm. Now, cleansing balms can be very, very expensive. जो मेरा cleansing balm है, it is supremely expensive. It is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. You've seen it in several videos if you've been following me for a while. And I keep testing out affordable ones. अब मेरे लिए an affordable one, यहाँ पे जो UAE में आराम से मिलता है, is the Hemish one that I showed you because it's like 45-50 dirhams. Amazon पे sale वेल होती है. You get it at a good price. Does the job. You get a lot of product. बहुत अच्छा है. Banala Co is really really good. Claire's cleansing oil is really really good, but all of these are kind of expensive. So let me quickly tell you about 3 cleansing balms. No, 2 cleansing balms, 1 cleansing oil, which are both made in India and they are very very affordable. Let's get started. मैं आपको 3 products के बारे में बताऊंगी and I will start from the least favorite to the most favorite. Okay? And least favorite का मतलब ये नहीं है कि the product is not good, मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया, that's it. The first one is the Earth Rhythm Propolis Cleansing Balm. Now ये product मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं use किया है, as you can see 2-3 बार ही use किया है मैंने. I don't mind this product. It works as a cleansing balm. It's really really good, but I do find it a little thick. You know, जैसे अगर आपने देखा when I use the Hemish one, that completely melts into my skin. ये मेल्ट नहीं करता. Let me even show it to you here. So this is not melting. As you can see, this is still very, very thick, right? Let me show you the Hemish one on the other hand. Actually, I won't show you the Hemish one. I'll just show you the other one, जिससे हम compare कर रहे हैं. So this is like a little thick, and which is why I don't like it as much, but it's a fabulous price. It cleans your face nicely. So I will recommend it, but this is on number 3. I give it a 6 on 10. I'm leaving this on my hand, the Earth Rhythm one. Now this is the Deconstruct Soothing Cleansing Balm, which has even 1% oat oil. Now oat oil is something I'm not a fan of अगर वो skincare के अंदर होता है in a Devon product. But I tried this one and I've actually used this one a lot more, and this is much nicer. इसको थोड़ा सा squeeze करना पड़ता है tube को. I don't like the tube formula, the packaging, but look at this. You see the difference? कितने आराम से ये मेल्ट कर गया, whereas this guy is still very thick and sticky, and अभी तक ये मेल्ट नहीं किया है. This one is way better. In fact, if you are trying to remove waterproof mascara, and that is critical in my routine because it is so humid right now, especially in the UAE. I was in India, उधर भी बहुत humidity थी because of the rains, but UAE is crazy, and if I don't wear waterproof mascara, then issue हो जाता है, like वो break down करता है, my eyes look very weird. So this was way better. Take a moment to notice Barbie nails. Anywho, this is much better. ये अभी भी thick है. So this is my recommendation number. I made a mistake. This was my number 1 recommendation. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Okay, this was supposed to be my number 1. So the Deconstruct was supposed to be my number 1 recommendation. This was supposed to be number 3. Let me show you which is number 2. The product that's on number 2 is this one. I have spoken about it before because I've been testing it out for a few months. It is the Sugandha Squalene Cleansing Oil with Vitamin E. Now this is a great product. ये मैंने actually March में खरीदा था. I have used it a couple of times. I really enjoy it. It's a great price point. It's a good cleansing oil. Squalene is a fabulous ingredient. Again, इसको removing waterproof mascara. This is not the best, and इसको आपको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लेना पड़ता है. Like you need to take about 3-4 pumps to really clean your face nicely, which is why it's a number 2. So number 3 is Earth Rhythm. It is this one. It is the propolis one. They also have another variant, but मैंने try नहीं किया है. You can try it out. Number 3 is this. Number 2 is the Sugandha one, and the number 1 is Deconstruct. The only issue with Deconstruct that I personally find is this squeezy tube. It reminds me a little bit of the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm, जिसको बहुत squeeze करना पड़ता था. But then अच्छी प्राइस है तो थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. These are my top 3 recommendations, and these are all affordable products. I highly recommend that you guys start double cleansing your face. बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा overall आपके स्किन केयर रूटीन में and the way your skin care responds to your skin. वीडियो पसंद आई? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye.